I'm not sure if is used to express that you are not certain or not confident about something. Examples: I'm not sure if I can handle this new responsibility as well. I'm not sure if I would go to the event or not. I'm not sure if I can sing tonight because of my sore throat. I'm not sure if I will be able to cater to your needs. I'm not sure if our company can still accommodate your request. I'm not sure if I can take the licensure examinations this year. I'm not sure if I will be able to accompany you to the airport tonight. I'm not sure if I can handle all the stress I have right now. I'm not sure if she can still buy her dream car because of her current financial situation. I'm not sure if I can still cook tonight.